Friends, here we are, Lake Hartwell, a sanctuary of serenity and schemes.
Look at this place, Tex. Feels like a slowed down blockchain dream.
More like a rollback update, Billy. The vibe here resets the algorithms of my soul.
Crypto Valley spitting you out like last week's guac, huh?
Or maybe, partner, they've bit off more FOMO than bread on a campfire?
Speaking of bread, this downtime's like yeast. Expand it, prep it, and bake your potential.
Haha, quit baking the ideas. It's the tokens underwater that keep me interested.
You ever see a 100x token pull? Happens when campfires give warm insights.
Pals, this place screams progress, doesn't it? You can almost hear the echoes of my success magnetism.
Well, Tex, progress or not, it lacks the smell of a good old goat pasture.
Just don't plant any more innovative seeds here. The marble could crack under the weight of disruption.
Focus, gentlemen. This isn't a marketplace for trivial banter, but a domain for data-driven action.
Tex, your success magnetism just pulled you into saying a whole lot of nothing. Shall we progress now?
All right, team, gather round. I've got a sizzling concept I'd like to grill your minds with.
Grill away, Tex. Our neurons are primed for BBQ mode.
Barbecue mode activated, but let's hope it doesn't turn into burnt toast.
Any agenda sparks may you wish to ignite? Otherwise, let's keep this torch practical.
All right, here's the deal. What if we integrate advanced AR into our blockchain analysis systems? Hey team, gather around. I've been driving the corporate intel routes today, and let me tell you, it's like a desert out there.
Tex, you're a taxi driver now? Did the routers ask you riddles before they paid?
Billy, those aren't routers. They're sentient algorithms now.
Algorithms that might tell jokes but never laugh.
Well, folks, gather around the old fire here, because it's storytelling time.
You know, Tex, this reminds me of back on the farm when we'd tell tales to the goats around the fire. They were critters of excellent taste. No accounting for their sense of humor, though.
I don't know, Billy. Last time I heard you tell a joke, even the goats winced. Dare I ask what came first, the silence or the cider?
While we have this moment of peace, perhaps we could solve the great mysteries of blockchain economics amidst the serenity. Besides, laughter's correlation to investment success is clear.
Mysteries, huh? Forgive me if I confuse them with your punchlines, Dave.
All right, everyone hold your horses, or nodes, as we say in this fine business, and let's recount the plot of that intergalactic heist from last week. It went smoother than butter on a hot tortilla.
Something tells me butter wouldn't survive long in this fire anyhow, but go right on ahead, Tex.
It started like this, with a digital map and a grand scheme. The star charts led straight to the desert treasure. Ain't nothing like the exhilaration of decoding an encrypted star ledger.
Though there was one snag when the treasure turned out to be a limited edition data shard signed by none other than the Saturn Consortium.
All right, my amigos in innovation, let's brainstorm the next cosmic innovation revolution.
Hold your hats there, Tex. I reckon we gotta actually define what this Mars X is.
How about a cryptocurrency backed by, actual Martian soil samples? More cosmic than Doge, more exclusive than diamonds.
Wait, let's cut through the hype here. How would transporting soil to and from Mars even begin to be cost-effective? That's a logistical nightmare.
Perhaps we can digitally mint Martian territories as non-fungible tokens, staking virtual claims on the red planet.
Oh, now we're cooking with rocket fuel. But Billy, I sense your wisdom's itching to shine.
I'll say this much. Ain't no gold rush been worth its weight without the shovels being sold first. Whose pockets are we filling here?
An excellent point, partner. So, Dave, shall we pivot toward hardware innovation? Lunar pickaxes retrofitted for Martian terrain?
Maybe we call it crater capacity. Someone get Elon on the line? Or better yet, don't.
Gentlemen, not to dampen spirits, but Mars has no inherent market demand. Who are we creating for?